You know that discipline is the key to achieving your goals. You know that if you could just stick to your plans, get work done consistently, and follow through, your life would look completely different. But every time you try, it feels like your brain is actively working against you. You start with good intentions, but within minutes, you find yourself procrastinating, scrolling, or avoiding the very thing you told yourself you'd do. You're not lazy, you're not broken. You're just trapped in the way your brain naturally responds to discomfort. Here's the thing about your brain. It is designed to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Discipline feels like pain. It feels like effort. It feels like resistance. And your brain sees resistance as a threat. It doesn't care about your long-term goals. It only cares about surviving and feeling good in the moment. That's why when you try to work, your brain pushes you toward easier, more comfortable options, scrolling on your phone, watching videos, or doing anything that gives you a hit of dopamine. Every time you give in, your brain learns that avoiding effort feels better than taking action. This is why discipline feels so unnatural at first. But here's the secret. You can trick your brain into enjoying discipline. The same way your brain learned to avoid effort, it can learn to reward effort. It's not magic, it's psychology, and it starts with small, deliberate actions. Step 1. Make discipline feel rewarding immediately. Your brain loves instant gratification, so you need to give it a hit of pleasure right after doing something productive. Maybe it's a check mark on a list, a quick celebratory gesture, or a tiny reward like a short break or a favorite snack. By pairing action with reward, your brain starts associating discipline with pleasure instead of pain. That's how habits are built. That's how motivation becomes irrelevant. Step 2. Start ridiculously small. Don't aim to overhaul your entire life. Pick one tiny habit, 5 push-ups, writing 1 paragraph, planning your day for 2 minutes. Your brain doesn't resist tiny actions the way it resists big ones. Once you take one small step, it begins to create momentum, and momentum makes your brain feel competent, energized, and proud. That feeling becomes a mini dopamine reward for discipline itself. Step 3. Reframe discomfort as growth. Every time you feel resistance, remind yourself, discomfort is not dangerous. Discomfort is your brain learning that it can tolerate effort. Every action you take despite the resistance is strengthening your discipline muscle. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Eventually, your brain starts to expect progress, and discipline stops feeling like punishment. It starts to feel natural. Step 4. Design your environment to make discipline easy. Your brain hates hard choices, so remove friction. Put distractions out of reach. Make the productive option the default. Clean your desk, set up a dedicated workspace, and block notifications. The less your brain has to fight, the more it can focus on rewarding action rather than resisting it. Finally, practice self-compassion. Your brain is learning a new way of operating. There will be setbacks. You will procrastinate. You will skip days. That's normal. Shame and guilt only make your brain resist harder. Treat yourself like a friend. Forgive yourself. Start again. Every new attempt reinforces the idea that effort is safe, rewarding, and worth it. Here's the truth. Your brain can learn to like discipline. It just needs a little guidance. Tiny wins, immediate rewards, consistent action, and a supportive environment are the tools. Take one small step today, and then another tomorrow. Over time, your brain will stop resisting. You'll stop needing motivation. Discipline will stop being a struggle and start being a habit. And when that happens, you won't just be someone who dreams, you'll be someone who achieves.
Thanks for watching. I truly appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this, here are a few videos I think you'll really like. Feel free to check them out. Don't forget to follow for more content like this. See you in the next one.